Can 3 home cooks handle a pressurised pro kitchen environment?
When did that come in?
Oh, Barry! That's not going to happen.
Everyone's gone very quiet and nothing is moving quickly.
That was a curveball.
Boys, have I got a surprise for you, and it's really going to up the ante.
Right, boys, as part of your training throughout the year, we've dropped you into the Happy Holiday Hotel and you're doing breakfast service.
We've got 3 stations for you guys: eggs or omelettes, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches. And this time, we've stepped it up a little bit because there's a lot more cooking involved, there's a bit more sharing, and there's more options for ingredients.
Oh, because it was so easy last time. Yeah.
You made it look easy, Joe.
Sure.
Remember, in hotels, the guest is the king. This is the last meal they're having before they check out. They had a fantastic dinner cooked by me and James yesterday, so don't ruin their impression of the hotel. We're going to give you 5 minutes to get set and prepped, right? Think what you don't have that you might need. You've got 5 minutes without orders, so use it wisely.
First thing we need to do is identify a head chef. You haven't had a go as head chef.
Is that how it works?
Yes. Head chef goes
Just
here.
my turn, okay.
Yeah.
Which means I'm doing omelettes.
Are you happy with
I'm
that?
comfortable with eggs.
I am more sandwich than I am man.
I can do pancakes. So,
Okay.
we'll find out.
Just clarifying, I have no meat here at all, just all vegetables.
I've got a lot of meat, so we
We're
might...
going to have to,
Yeah, but I also
imagine.
imagine a breakfast sandwich might have an egg in it. I'm just going to get some meat cooking so that the initial orders don't leave me completely sort of off.
Yeah, I agree. And identifying the things they're actually going to hold well
Yes.
is important.
Do you know what I'd do? I'd crack 30 eggs and whisk them all together.
What, just portion them up?
And then ladle.
You're kidding. That's really useful.
Hi,
I feel like this is brutal, mate, having to make pancake batter 5 minutes before service.
Yeah, it is quite a lot. I would normally
But it's
leave my
just
batter
it's
to
batch
rest. 16 pancakes worth of batter. If I get time, I might pre-cook some of them and then hold some back because I have a feeling that they will include like blueberries and stuff.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan, yeah. Anything you can prep. Even if it seems ridiculous.
I need to chop those strawberries.
Prep it.
Thank you. This is the nearest we actually get to the pressurized scenario of a professional kitchen. It really does make us all step up.
All right, boys, prep time is over. You've had your 5 minutes. First order coming in now. Table 1, 3-egg omelette, mashed spinach, cheese, parsley, 1 double-stacked pancake, fluffy, berries, whipped cream, and a bun, bacon, butter, red sauce.
Okay, got it. Coming in. 1 each, boys. Eggs, buns, and a pancake.
Lovely.
I'll be ready to cook in about 2 minutes. Jamie, how long for yours?
Bacon's going to be a couple of minutes.
Okay, cool.
2 minutes on pancakes. I haven't seen any whipped cream.
Whipping cream.
Oh, what? I've got to whip that.
Like, that is okay.
Okay.
It's all okay.
Oh yeah, I
Yes,
forget
yes,
he's
thank you.
yours, isn't he?
You've got a pancake that's going to take a while to cook.
Remember, boys, sharing is caring. Help your fellow mate out.
I can whip some cream, Mike.
That's it, Jay. That's why I like you.
Jay, you are the floater in this group.
I'm going to whip all the cream because I don't know how many whipped cream orders you're going to get.
Good point.
Right, table 2 is sat down. Second order coming in.
Yep.
Egg white omelette, fat-free with chorizo. 1 order of hash browns times 2, and a pancake with fried chicken, honey, and chili.
Kick them out. Nobody can order egg white omelettes, full stop.
Hash browns, fried chicken in the fryer.
All right, boys, coffee and tea has been served to the guests. Now all they need is their food.
I'm good on order 1 when you guys are.
You've whipped a lot of cream there.
Don't know how many orders we're going to get.
True. Like, you may as well whip a bit more, that's true. Mike, your pancakes are looking really nice. Oh.
First egg hitting a pan.
I'm nearly done on double-stacked pancakes with berries and whipped cream. Are you ready for service?
I think so.
Chorizo.
Great, okay.
Is that order number 1?
Order number 1, yes.
Lovely.
They're all on time.
They are. They're coming together, but the head chef isn't talking at me.
Come on, Basil.
Double-stacked pancakes,
Okay.
berries and whipped cream. Barry?
Oh! Bacon, butter, red sauce.
Omelette with cheese, spinach, and mushrooms. Good to go. Where's that check?
Yay, first one. Well done, boys.
3-egg omelette, mushroom, spinach, cheese, and parsley.
He's delivered.
He's cooked it, but
There is
Little
parsley
garnish. There is parsley in it. I saw him.
but the plate is absolutely filthy.
It is.
Cream has fallen off because the pancakes were so hot.
He delivered what was on the check.
But with such little care because it is absolutely stone cold. The butter's not even melted and he hasn't toasted the bun.
I did mention to him about toasting the buns, but he must have forgotten. Let this one go.
We'll let this one go.
Right, can I help anyone with order number 2?
Guys, check on. VVIP, owner plus child. 1 hash brown eggs Benedict, sausage patty. Kids pancake stack, Nutella and blueberries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right, Baz, I've got a sausage patty ready to go, but eggs Benedict.
Baz, what does chorizo have in it?
And what is chorizo?
What's going on, Baz? You're not talking.
Yeah.
Does anyone have?
So you cook the chorizo out first.
And then put the egg white and then make an omelette.
You're right.
But it's a brand new pan. It might
go.
work,
Just
yeah.
if you keep cooking it a little bit.
Yeah, and then just be gentle, basically. Put it back over the heat.
Let it
No,
cook.
that's just a stick.
I feel like you're in it.
Yeah.
How can I help?
I'm
done,
trying this stupid egg white omelette
Okay.
because there's no fat in it. And screwed up.
Okay.
So now with this one here, what have we got here? So we've got.
So hash brown eggs Benedict hollandaise.
Oh, you a-hole!
Barry, I have 2 hash browns for your order as you need them.
Nice, Barry.
That's it, Barry.
So that egg omelette is going on with
That's on your right. On your right. There's your hash browns.
the pancake with fried chicken, honey and chilli.
Coming in 30 seconds, chef.
Brilliant, that's perfect timing.
Fried chicken pancake with honey and chilli.
Disgusting omelette. 2 hash browns. Order in.
I've tried to get ahead and cooking my bacon and accidentally cooked it in the same pan that I cooked the sausages in. So I can't probably use that.
Fat-free chorizo. It worked.
It did.
You kept it going. Hash browns, 2. Fried chicken, honey.
Pancake, singular. Spike it.
Yeah, let's spike it.
30 seconds out from a kids stack with Nutella and blueberries.
You're doing really well, but we need to build on this experience. So, can you all rotate one section clockwise?
No!
You all need to rotate one section clockwise.
We've got this
so
under
you get to
control.
experience the whole kitchen.
If you need more pancake batter, let me know. I've got a recipe.
Great. Those burgers are not, they're cooking through, but they need reverse searing.
That was a curveball.
Guys, check on. 2 omelettes, 1 ham, peppers, cheese, 1 mushroom, spinach, herbs.
Okay, ham, peppers, cheese, mushroom.
Yeah,
Okay.
mushrooms, everything needs to be cooked before it goes on, otherwise you're good.
New order in, table 10. 1 pancake quad stack, bacon, maple syrup and chilli, and a jammy boiled egg.
Oh dear, like, this is the worst
Go, Chefs.
station ever.
Boys, how we doing?
Hey Siri, set a timer for 6 minutes. No,
Peppers.
5. It's not boiling, don't worry about it. Later.
So we need peppers, ham. Have you got ham over here?
Yeah, there's ham over there in one of those pots.
Great.
How's the Benedict doing, Baz?
It's going to be another 2 minutes.
I said the same thing to Baz. Less is more on an omelette.
Yeah. Oh, Barry! There's a whole egg yolk in there.
That's a little surprise.
Luxurious.
Yeah.
Ham, eggs, peppers.
Right, hollandaise is thickening up nicely.
Mike has done well to make an omelette around raw pepper.
Hash browns done. Hash brown eggs Benedict, how we doing, Baz? Is there an egg poaching?
No, it should be boiling.
For eggs Benedict?
That's 2 different orders, Baz.
Yeah.
Eggs Benedict, we need a poached egg.
We also need a boiled egg.
Yeah.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
okay. I was off the egg station a minute ago.
Yeah,
Okay,
sorry, I've
good,
got
good.
everything at the same time.
There's nothing saying that one of you can't take over the head chef position for 10 minutes just to make sure you get through it.
Thank you, chef.
Also, you're doing great.
Yeah, well done, boys.
Thank you again, chef.
Thank you, chef.
Check on, guys. 2 steak and eggs, medium rare, over easy eggs, smashed potatoes.
With smashed potatoes? What, hash browns? Yeah, right, fine. Everyone's gone very quiet and nothing is moving quickly.
Okay, we have 2 omelettes. Ham, pepper, cheese omelette, mushroom, spinach, herbs.
They're slightly questionable.
Very crunchy.
A nice omelette.
Diverse.
Yeah, send that out.
So hash brown, egg Benedict, sausage patty. So is this now done, Barry?
That's done. The egg is coming in 2 seconds.
We've got feedback from the restaurant manager. All buns have to be toasted from now on. Table 1 wasn't happy with theirs.
Kids, pancakes, Nutella, and berries. That's just waiting on the egg, Baz, and then you've got the hash browns.
Right, new order in table 7. We've got 1 bun, bacon, sausage, brown sauce, 1 bun, vegan bacon, spinach and mayonnaise, and 1 scrambled 2 egg, ham and mushroom.
Okay, owner's speciality order is in.
Well done.
Amazing, Barry.
Well done. That was a hard one.
And this one's for our owner, Ben Ebrel, and his child, Tyrone.
That's where that was going.
That looks like one of the most indulgent breakfasts. Double fried hash brown, sausage patty, egg, and a lot of butter sauce.
So we got bun with bacon, sausage and brown sauce. That's all pre-cooked.
Okay.
And a bun with vegan bacon, which was pre-cooking,
Yeah, amazing.
spinach
That's
and
all
mayo.
done. Just give me the minute when it's needed, and I can make that and stop everything else.
Your scramble's nearly done, actually, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's good to go, Baz.
New order in table 69. 1 cloud egg with berries and bacon.
No, a cloud is that's not going to happen. There's no way.
Remember, you do have an expert in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Mike, I feel like if those eggs don't have some kind of garnish, they're going to go back.
Yeah.
Boys, most importantly, are you having fun?
Actually,
Yeah.
yeah.
It
In
is
a weird
thrilling.
way, it's really satisfying.
Boys, we've got an international contingent here at the Economic Forum.
No.
We have 1 ramen cup with sausage and a soft-boiled egg, and 1 frittata, spinach and potato.
Oh my god!
We've got 5 checks on right now. We've got 5 checks on.
But they are smashing it.
Bun, bacon, sausage, brown sauce. How far?
Coming.
Bun, vegan bacon, spinach, mayo. How far?
Happening now
next.
as well.
How many seconds off?
30.
Brilliant.
That's your new check, chef.
Thank you.
That order just came on and it's going out already. That's great.
Yeah, it's going really well.
Timer on the egg.
Oh, so good.
How far are we off that final bun, Spaff?
It's here. I imagine you anticipated this.
Oh no!
It's time to swap.
Check.
Very nice. Spike.
I've got a steak frying off, and I've got 2 eggs, which are pretty much done.
Yeah.
I'm going to take them off the heat and let them cook out.
The boiled egg is good to go, Baz. So 4 pancakes, bacon, maple and chilli. Everything should be there.
Thank you.
How's it going, guys?
We're blind at the moment, and
we're
Jamie's
good.
done a
We're
great
fine.
job of shouting out orders, which I wasn't.
Table 10 would like their order.
Barry's just finishing off. That's one that we need to do.
What's that?
Cloud
What's
egg.
that? Okay, when did that come in?
Order up. There we go. Order up.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
That looks very nice.
That looks very nice. They're quite dry, but they're keeping them warm and they're coming out on time.
Yeah. Excellent. I can go.
And well, do you want to do a cloud egg?
I can do it. Yeah, I can try.
You're in the egg section.
You got to do a frittata as well, and the ramen cup.
Right, let's leave that to rest, and then it should come up to medium rare. Eggs over easy. Let's flip these now.
We're coming into the last 6 minutes of breakfast service.
Okay.
Even I'm sorry about this. We've got 2 burritos, beans, eggs, cheese, extra spicy. Breakfast burritos, please.
Wow.
You're not sorry about that.
Okay, let's get these done. We can do this.
Beans, eggs, cheese, extra spicy. Barry, is that going to give me a cloud egg?
No.
No?
No, you have to whisk it up low, so really, really frothy. Then cook it in a pan, and then you finish it in the oven with the yolk on top.
Watercress goes in that. It's basically a warm salad.
Okay, finally, 2 steaks, eggs over easy, and potato smashed.
Hells yeah.
Well done, Mike.
Well done, everyone, because I just basically assembled that.
That's quite a nice breakfast.
This is a jammy egg and ramen and sausage. For our international guests,
Come on, we've got 3 orders to get through, guys.
Come on, guys.
Push
Come on,
through.
guys.
This is when it gets hard.
Yeah.
That is a cloud egg. That's a cloud egg.
Whoa.
What is that?
What's that?
Mate, that looks
this
amazing.
is the ramen. This is going to be served with the frittata.
And I'm trying to get 2 burritos.
Guys, you are so close. Let's go. Come on.
Right, boys, we're coming down to the last 2-3 minutes of service, then we have to lock the doors.
Push.
We've got some Frank's, extra hot sauce, that will do. Beans need to go on, brilliant.
They want some extra spicy, extra.
Chili flakes.
You've got fresh chili.
We've got fresh chili.
Ah!
Cloud eggs coming out. Let's hope that ramen bowl is still hot.
That cloud egg is looking good.
Cloud egg, berries and bacon.
I mean, it's a cloud egg. It is a cloud egg. We can't really judge it, can we?
No. Boys, you've got 2 minutes left.
2 minutes, that's it. So frittata and delivery of burritos, we're just waiting on that frittata to cook.
You could flip it in another pan and just fry it. That'd be quite quick.
Get that pan hot, flip that onto that. Nice.
2 burritos with egg, cheese, beans, extra spicy.
Nice. It's a sharing plate. I saw everything go in.
Yeah, that's it.
It's good.
Boys, you've got 45 seconds left.
How are you plating this frittata?
On that plate.
Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Yeah, that's looking all right.
Yeah. No! Jamie, no! It was such a good idea!
Help him!
Frittata!
Might be saved.
3, 2, 1.
Win!
All I can say is thank you very much for trying.
There was very little panic for most of it. I think you just took the orders and got on with it, which is really cool.
The shifting of stations was a game changer there.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's spicy. Right, boys, while we have our post-service coffee, you guys clear down, then we'll reveal how many dishes you completed. Boys, it looks like the owner...
What's Emma's doing
the owner's joined
What
us.
have you joined?
I've got some very exciting news, having just watched what's unfolded. We'll come to that in a minute.
I think you pulled together as a team. There was quite a few disconnected moments of pure silence, and silence in the kitchen's not a good thing. But the floater, came to power, Jay, and you did a fantastic job of floating around each section.
I think silence is not necessarily a good thing, but it did mean that you were all concentrating really hard and trying hard, so that's good. How did you find it?
I felt the first third of it was really efficient and quite enjoyable. But as soon as the twist of changing stations, I lost it completely.
It's because we all had to communicate that where we were halfway through and which order we were all working on. And I went to turn to do that to Mike, but Mike was talking to you about what he was doing. I was like, well, hang on a sec, how's this?
And at one point, eggs started here, but then later in the video, there's eggs there.
I'd say the biggest obstacle was actually, as it started getting crazy, the mess and the uniform of each station got further and further away, because by the last turn, it compounded. So definitely understanding logic, order and tidying as you go, I finally understood why they keep on banging on about that, because it really held us back.
For me, at 16 minutes, Barry, you just went in on yourself and collapsed.
I did the same.
After your hollandaise was done, it was lights out as far as also, but it's not the first time you've done that, and that's something that Ben can help you with. Mike, once you got knuckled down and were just cooking with pans in front of you, you were smashing out scrambled eggs, steaks, over easy eggs, and again, floater, I think you should be the head chef of the next challenge, just because you're better at it, Jay.
You were always the one taking the tickets. Even though you had bits going on, you were always the one taking the tickets.
Collectively, you had 5 minutes of prep, 30 minutes of cooking, and you managed to prepare and serve
23 dishes.
23 with a lot more cooking, a lot more movement, shared sections, shared ingredients.
Progress!
Yes. All the food left the kitchen, and overall, boys, the way you held yourselves together and produced that food, I think you did really well for quite a hard situation at the Happy Holiday Hotel.
Can we take that as a win?
Are they still happy?
They're happy, we're happy.
Okay, good.
Remember, quality over quantity, which brings me on to some little news. This is your gap year, and as we said, these fun games we craft is one thing, they're fun, but we also want to throw you into real world experiences, and what is more impressive, exclusive and mega than being thrown into one of London's top 5-star hotels, the Landmark London, to assist with the food for a glamorous charity ball.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Tom here from the Brothers Trust, and we like to raise money to shine light on charities that might not get the recognition that they deserve. And in March, we are having the Deborah Butterfly Ball, and I would like to challenge the Sorted Boys to get into the professional kitchen and cook the dinner. Now, it will be a tough task, high orders, super high volume at a very high quality at the Landmark Hotel. I'm sure you guys can do it. Now listen, if you get into deep water and you're struggling, don't worry. I'm gonna put my brother Sam on the case. He's gonna be there with you every step of the way. So good luck, it's a fantastic cause, a really wonderful group of people getting together to do an amazing thing. So thanks for your help, sending you all my love, and start chefing it up.
A ball that you guys can actually be at. The tickets are available downstairs. You can book seats, you can book tables, you can ask your work to book corporate seats. Do the job, because these guys are going to be in the kitchen. You've got a number of weeks to start preparing. We're going to get you up to scratch-ish, and then we'll get you in the kitchen. And we'll just be in tux in the room, just having a lovely time.
Oh, God!
No!
If you'd like to see the chefs take on one of these challenges, give the video a like. We're trying to streak 15,000 likes at least on consecutive videos. So if you want to make it happen, make it happen. Comment below, give the video a like.
So 23 won't quite cut it.
No, I think it's close to 1,000.
I know what a frittata is now, though.